Hi, my name is Andy Cunningham, Product Manager of the Aerolite Travel Trailer Division. Today we're really excited and want to introduce to you our new Aerolite 3153ML travel trailer. Before we step inside and take a look at some of the modern conveniences that you'll find at home, let's first take a look at some of the exterior features that you'll find on your next Aerolite travel trailer. First, Aerolite comes with the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. With that said, you'll also notice some of those features with the Aerolite fiberglass painted front cap with added LED lighting. All of your laminated constructed Aerolite travel trailers also come with a fully enclosed and force heated underbelly. We also added an extra layer of insulation and enclose our gate valves, which will make it more convenient in those cold weather months when you're doing extended camping. As we know, storage is a premium in any travel trailer. And when you take a look, we've got one of the largest under compartment storages that you'll find on an Aerolite travel trailer, which we also include added LED lighting, slam latch, and magnetic holders for your compartment doors. With that said, you'll also notice that we provide hybrid aluminum entry steps, large assist grab handle, and a friction hinge entry door as you step into your luxury Aerolite travel trailer. Modern conveniences that you find on the outside of your Aerolite travel trailer also include solar prep ready and also backup camera prep ready as well. Now let's take a step inside and highlight some of those interior features. Now that we're inside this Aerolite 3153, a few things that you're going to notice when you step inside this coach is that we build all of our travel trailers with a high 82-inch interior ceiling height. This ceiling height provides a more residential feel when you're inside your travel trailer. It also allows us to build a higher slide box height and larger windows as well, which is going to allow more natural light inside your coach. When we built the 3153ML travel trailer, we had the residential kitchen in mind, and that's the focus that you're going to notice here. All of your residential kitchens inside an Aerolite travel trailer come standard with solid surface countertops, a nice undermount stainless steel sink, and then also a high-rise faucet with spray port. Once you turn around, you've got a massive workstation back here with a large 21-inch oven. With this 21-inch oven, we also do a nice glass top recess that allows additional workspace back here. Here's what we're really excited about with this travel trailer. As you can see over here, we've got maximum storage, a huge pantry to store all of your items when you're on the road. But most importantly, we took you, the camper, in mind, knowing that space is a premium, and that also includes your refrigerators. We put two 8 cubic foot refrigerators side by side. This allows maximum storage for you and your family when you're on the road for your next adventure. This specific model here is built with a dinette and 4 chairs, a table and 4 chairs, and also 2 points of seating. That also includes reclining theater seats directly across from your 40-inch television. As you step into the bathroom, you'll also notice the large residential shower and the porcelain flush commode. Once you step into our bedrooms, you'll notice that we've provided wardrobe closets on both sides of the bed and nightstands, including outlets on both sides of the bed and USB charging ports. This specific model also comes with a wardrobe slide out, which provides additional storage for your hanging clothes. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more information on Aerolite travel trailers, please go to Dutchmen.com or contact your local dealer.